4, Scotech supplied a 500 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted transformer to Canada, built to CSA C227. 4.21. It ensures reliable power for commercial, residential, and small industrial use. The sealed pad-mounted design allows safe outdoor installation on a concrete pad. It converts 12.47/16 kVA to 0.6 kVA with high efficiency and stable output. Featuring ONAN cooling, mineral oil insulation, aluminum windings, 5% impedance, and 99.5% efficiency. It operates with minimal losses and maintains a steady voltage under full load.